If the line y minus root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0 cuts the curve y square is equal to x plus 2 at a and b, and point on the line p is root 3 comma 0, then mod of pa into pb is equal to how much? So here there is a curve y square is equal to x plus 2. So let me take this as a curve y square is equal to x plus 2 curve, and there is a straight line y minus root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. So let me take the line here. So this is your line y minus, or y is equal to root 3x minus 3, cuts at 2 points, say a and b. So this is a and this is b. Okay, and point on the line is root 3 comma 0, where it cuts the x-axis is the point here, root 3 comma 0. Say this is the point p given. Now then what is a pa into pb? And since we know that from a point x1 comma y1 at a distance of r units, any other point on the line, whose parametric coordinates are x1 plus r cos theta comma y1 plus r sin theta. Okay, say let us take the point here p root 3 comma 0. Now at a distance of r units, like a pa units, x1 plus r cos theta, y1 plus r sin theta. So take this point on a as root 3 plus r times, that is pa times of cos theta, and y1 times means 0 plus r times of, that is pa times of sin theta. And since we know that the inclination of the line is, since the line equation is given y is equal to root 3x minus 3, so its slope is equal to root 3, that is tan theta is equal to root 3, which is tan 60 degrees. So theta is equal to 60 degrees. So we can take the point here a root 3 plus, so let me take this as pa is some distance like x units, x times of cos theta, that is cos 60 is 1 by 2, and 0 plus pa, that is x into sin theta is root 3 by 2, sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So the point a is root 3 plus x by 2 comma root 3x by 2. Okay, this is the point on the line, and this point is also considered to be a point on the curve y square is equal to x plus 2. So this point must satisfy the curve equation y square is equal to x plus 2. So let me substitute in the curve equation y square is equal to x plus 2. So that is root 3x upon 2 whole square is equal to root 3 plus x by 2 plus 2. On simplifying, 3x square by 4 is equal to 2 plus root 3 plus x upon 2. So which implies here 3x square by 4 minus x upon 2 is equal to 2 plus root 3, or we can write 3x square minus 2x is equal to 4 times here, 4 times of 2 plus root 3, or we can write this equation as 3x square minus 2x minus 4 times of 2 plus root 3 is equal to 0, which represents a quadratic equation. This is a quadratic equation whose product of the roots is minus 4 times of 2 plus root 3 divided by 3. And since one of the root PA and PB are the roots here, PA and PB are the roots, so the product of the roots can be taken as PA into PB. So PA into PB is equal to minus 4 times of 2 plus root 3 divided by 3, and the modulus of PA PB is equal to, so mod PA into PB is equal to, we can take 4 times 2 plus root 3 divided by 3. So 4 times of 2 plus root 3 divided by 3 is the first option. So we can go with option 1. Okay.